Dodge Ram 1500, 5.7 liter Hemi. This is what it sounds like before we do anything on it. Go ahead. Anything else? Sound decibels 91. So we let you guys hear before. This is what we did after. Dodge Ram 1500. It's got stock factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single 3-inch. Then we put a FLOWMASTER Super 10, 2 1/4 tailpipes, and dualed it out the back. Here's the FLOWMASTER number if you guys want it. Super 10 843-0152. There'll be a link in the description. And 3.5 inch by 18 tips, black rolled tips right there. We'll see if we can get you a link in the description for those also. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.
That's what mine would sound like. It's not a V8.
Super 10. Again. Sound decibels. Go ahead. When it 102. Go ahead and back it up.
What would it do for a 6-cylinder?
We'll give it a nice tone.
It sound that good?
Close. It won't be as deep, but it will be a lot better than what it's on it now. Because that's a half of what you have on it now. You have a 40, which is a 2-chamber. That one is a 10, so it's half of that. It's a single chamber.
I'm gonna put that one.
Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Ram 1500, 5.7 liter Hemi. Hemi. Got really nice blue wheels on it. Give me 1 second.